Hello and welcome to Treasures Woven with Love. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the notification bell if you don't miss any of my videos. And of course, share with your friends and family. For today's video, I will be doing a Dollar Tree frame DIY red truck farmhouse picture. So I'm using this picture frame from Dollar Tree. It's a canvas picture frame and I'm taking it apart because I want to use the wood frame. Now this was giving me a bit of a trouble trying to take it off, and it was breaking actually my nails when I was trying to take it off. So I used a tool that my husband had in his toolbox, I don't know what you call that, and these stapler removers, and I just digged into the wood carefully trying to take off the staple. And I was successful. I was able to take it off. And this picture right here, my daughter drew that and she didn't want the picture anymore, so I decided to use it. That's what I'm using, that cream wax Americana Decor paint. It's like a wax, so it makes it look like a stain. And what I did was I brushed it all around with this Dollar Tree brush that I bought, and I really like that brush because it worked really well trying to apply this cream wax on it. And as you can see in the corner there, my daughter drew that picture and she didn't want it anymore, and I said, you know what, let me put this to good use. And this is the end result after painting it with the cream wax. Okay, so my next step is to take the Waverly white chalk paint and apply it to the canvas, and I gave it 2 coats of the white chalk paint. Now this is what it looks like after I let it dry overnight, and it turned out perfectly. Now I took this picture right here that I went online on my computer and I actually traced it, and I thought it was real pretty, and I used this graphite paper that I got at Hobby Lobby like a couple of months ago. And I'm going to try to use this to trace it on the canvas paper. So what I did was I cut on the sides of the paper where the drawing is so that it could be a little bit more center on the canvas. And you'll see me here just tracing the truck through that graphite paper, and you'll see how it looks like in a couple of seconds. And here is what it looks like. See how nice it came out? I really like that. Now I'm using this Dollar Tree red paint, and I'm going to use this brush. Is dry, and I'm just going to start painting inside the picture. Okay, now I took this pen black marker that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna start using it to trace around those pencil lines, the pencil marks that I made when I traced it. So I'm just gonna go all around the picture. Next, I'm painting the flowers in a pink color, and then after that I am going to paint the leaves in green. And the last step is to paint the baskets in that cream wax color. And this is what it looks like, my friends. I think it turned out so cute. I love the red and the pink and the cream wax color on the planters. I definitely like the frame color of it. It looks nice and weathered, and I think it just looks so cute. I'm putting it on my dining room table, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Be safe. God bless.